Sensitive, personal, identifiable data is everywhere. It travels between applications, flows in data pipelines, and is stored across clouds and data centers. Accidentally exposing sensitive data is terrifying, expensive, and in many cases illegal. Falling victim to data breach and extortion is equally awful. With siloed team practices and point solutions, how do you ensure data security and compliance while getting the most value of your data? With Fortanix tokenization, you now can secure sensitive data and comply with regulations while safely unleashing data's true potential. Fortanix vaultless tokenization applies format preserving encryption to data right from the moment of data creation or ingestion to ensure data security and privacy from the beginning. With your data obfuscated, you can now safely share it with third parties or utilize it for analytics and AI models. And when needed for legitimate and authorized purposes, you can reverse the data on the fly and retrieve the original information. We designed our solution for simplicity. You can use pre-built and customizable tokenization policies to enforce specific rules across all environments at once. But we also made it secure. You can apply granular RBAC and quorum approvals to mitigate risks using zero trust principles. The rich REST APIs and SDKs give you speed and agility to connect your ecosystem, automate processes, and build creative solutions that drive innovations. The Fortanix solution is offered as a SaaS and delivers cloud scale, availability, and reliability. Fortanix tokenization. Use all your data confidently knowing it is secure and compliant. Give it a try today.